everyone, it's Julia Elise. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are finally doing the long-awaited Gabe's haul. I let too much time pass, but I had so many other videos I wanted to get out, and I've been trying to finish spending this money. Gabe's is so affordable, so I got so much stuff and I haven't even finished spending it. So there will be a part 2 to this video. Stay tuned for that. It may be 2 months from now, but it'll be here. So I got so many amazing things. Anything from home decor, shoes, clothes, jewelry. Literally Gabe's has it all, and I tried to pick up a little bit of everything, and I think I got a really awesome mix of things, and I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. So, sorry for my voice. I've been a little sick lately, and if the lighting's weird, it's dark. I have this really weird thing called like a job now, so I have to work during prime filming hours, so at night I have to use my studio lights, and I miss the sunshine, but I'm not gonna complain. I'm a very blessed gal. So, if you wanna see everything I picked up from Gabe's, just keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with what I'm wearing now. This is actually one of my favorite things I picked up this whole time, and it is so adorable. So I got this gorgeous blouse. It is black, white, and mustard, I believe. Yeah, that's mustard. Black, white, and mustard, and it's just this really nice cotton material. My favorite part is the sleeves. It's like ruched, and there's a little bit of a ruffle on the sleeve. I just think it's fun. I wore it to work today. I felt very cute in it. It's super easy, super chill. And this was $10. I remember being like, Mom, this is very expensive, because it was like one of the most expensive tops I've ever gotten from Gabe's, but it's so worth it. It barely wrinkles. It's just such a great top. I love it so much. Next, I want to show you the only pair of shoes I got, but holy crap, guys, I've worn these literally so much. I probably wear these 4 times a week. I'm not even kidding. It's like people are probably like, oh, there she is in her tassel boots again, but I don't even care. So I initially was drawn to these boots, I'm not gonna lie, because they were $8.99. Thought that was an amazing price, and then I tried them on. I'm like, holy crap, these are so comfortable. So I ended up picking them up, and they have been my tried and true, and I got them in a size 8 and normally a 7.5, so I did size up a half size with these. So next I'm going to show you guys 2 pairs of pants that I got. I was very surprised I actually found pants. They carry my favorite brand of jeans ever, and I think you guys know what they are by now, but they're the YMI jeans in the Wanna Betta butt line. They're jeans for girls that have a little bit of more of a curvier body, so there's actual space like in the butt, if that makes sense. So I got this pair. I got this really nice light wash pair. Really nothing else to say. They are high rise, which is so nice. When you bend over, you don't gotta feel a breeze, if you know what I'm saying. I don't love the pockets. I really don't like when pockets have this on there, but like, I'm not gonna complain. I think they were $12.99. I've already worn them a million times. I have like this whole jean rotation that I'm on for work, because we're allowed to wear jeans to work, so I literally wear like 4 pairs of jeans, and these are in the rotation, and it's just life, okay? And then I picked up a pair of olive green pants, because I didn't have a pair of olive green pants, and I really like them. They need to be ironed very badly, but again, these are mid-rise, not high-rise. I wish they were high-rise, but they only had these, and these were the same price. I believe they were $12.99. Obviously, the price tag is long gone because I wear these in my weekly pant rotation, but yeah, I really do like these, and they're super soft and cute. Something a little different than your everyday pant. That was really weird. So next, I want to show you guys this shirt. I did already wear this. I totally broke all of the haul rules, but I was just so excited to wear all this stuff. I couldn't wait. So this is by the brand Antilla Femme, and it is super soft. It's like this silky material, which is really nice for work. You can layer it, you can wear it by itself. There's really not much to say about it. It's not like the kind of thing that I would wear out to the movies with my boyfriend or anything like that, but it's perfect for work. I need a lot more stuff like this that is a little nicer, a little bit more mature, because a lot of my stuff is like not grown-up clothes. I picked up this flannel. I thought it was so cute. I love flannels, and I didn't have a white one, which I think is really nice because you can wear it like later into the winter and into the spring. I like to tie flannels around my waist. I like to tie them in a knot. I just feel like they're so versatile. So this is by the brand No Comment, and I got this for $11.99, which is super cheap for flannels in general, and the brand No Comment is sold at Boscov's and sometimes Macy's, so I thought that was a really great deal as well. Okay, so I got some more clothes that I'll show you guys. I know, it's like the last thing I needed, but I was like, just gotta do it. So speaking of flannels, I got this one, and you'll see this one I try on, but it is kind of a flannel. It is flannel material, but it doesn't have a collar, which I thought was super cute and unique. So yeah, it just kind of buttons up, and it has really cute gold like rivet detailing on it, and I'm just so obsessed with the colors. I really love the blue and the warm tones in it as well. This is by the brand Dex, and I got this for $7.99, which is so cheap, and it's just so soft, and I think this one will be really good since it doesn't have a collar to kind of like tie around your waist as well. So next piece, I don't know why I'm calling it a piece like it's fashionable at all. It's totally not, but you all know that Sherpa trend is in, but I found one that's even softer. So I found this black fleece sweatshirt. I don't think you guys can see how soft it is. This is the softest thing ever, and I'm going to be living in this for the winter time. When I bought this, it was like 90 degrees outside, but I was like, my future self will thank me, and it's already getting so cold here in Pennsylvania, so I'm so excited about this. I love it, and this was only $6.99, so I thought that was so amazing, and it's just... Okay, so next I picked up these leggings, and I'm not typically big on patterned leggings. Sometimes I just feel very unfashionable when I wear them, but I really liked this material, and I also really liked the pattern. It's kind of like, it's in between like plaid and houndstooth. It's not quite houndstooth, but it's that super buttery material, and I was like, you know what? I think this would be super cute with like a black dress. I'll wear them as tights. I'm not gonna wear them as pants because that would be a sight to see. But I really liked the material. I think that they could be pretty chic if I did like all black everything, and then this would be like kind of my statement. I don't know. I might give them to my mom. I'm not sure about these, but these are by the brand No Comment as well, and I got them for $5.99. So I'm like, you know what? If I just give them to my mom or something, so be it. So next I picked up a dress, and I just felt so cute in this dress, and for the price, you can't beat it. So it is just so cute. It's like a little bit of a fit and flare. It's again that really buttery material that doesn't wrinkle, which I love, and it has just the cutest little bell sleeves and some crochet detailing. But what I found was most interesting, and actually my least favorite part of this dress, is that it zips up the back. So it kind of makes it feel a little bit more uncomfortable, but other than that, it's super comfortable. And I envisioned this with some knee-high boots and just like, I don't know, maybe like a leather vest. I don't know. A leather vest. Anyway, I thought this would be really cute for Thanksgiving or something. I don't know. Or maybe for the springtime. It's pretty groovy. I like it. And I got this for only $8.99, so. So the last thing in this bag, I got either for myself or for my mom. I thought it was really cute, pretty simple. So it is this color is this. I guess this would be considered denim colored dress. It came with this very ugly gold necklace that I really want to. I'm gonna take you off. That's way better. So yeah, it's just this really cute dress. I think it's just gonna be super easy to throw on and wear to work with some leggings and some knee-high boots. It looked like I tried really hard, but it's totally just a throw on piece, as my friend Nicole would say. So I got this for $12.99, and yeah, it's really soft too. We will come back to clothes because I think we need a break from clothes. Like, there are more clothes, but we need a break, okay? So next I'm gonna show you, this is actually one of my favorite things that I purchased in this whole haul, is this Gingham Sherpa blanket. Guys, this is so me. If you guys don't remember, my old room was my gray gingham room in my apartment. I miss it so dearly, but I do still have all that stuff in storage, and when I save up for a house or an apartment or whatever, that is what I'm going to be doing with my master bedroom, and I have a gray couch that I'm very excited to decorate with. So I feel like these are also such a great gift for people for the upcoming holidays. Like, you really can't go wrong with a throw blanket. This is only $7.99, which is just such an awesome price, and I love gray gingham, so I was like freaking out. Nicole was like, you have to get that. Speaking of gray, I picked up these 2 gray pillows, and I am so obsessed. So they are just this gray fabric pillow, but my favorite part is they have like these gold rivets on it, and I think it's just super cute and classic. So just to let you know, if these were at Home Goods, these would probably go for like $25 each, which is actually a great price for a throw pillow. At Gabe's, they're selling these in like a million colors for $5.99 a piece. I could not pass those up. I almost bought them in the darker gray too, but I was like, okay, bring it in, girl. So next I picked up this. I literally don't know what it's called. It's like a head warmer. They're essentially earmuffs. I wear these all the time in the winter because I get the worst hat hair, so this is such a great alternative to wearing a hat. Keeps everything warm. I picked this really nice black material, and I love the inside. It's like Sherpa fleece, so soft. It's by the brand Spider, which I know is a really good brand. This was only $5.99. Next, I picked up a car magnet that says woof on it. So I recently just got a Honda Civic, and I'm so in love with it, but the only problem I have with it is that everybody and their mother has a black Honda Civic. So naturally I need something to differentiate my car from somebody else's car, so I got this. Love it. Okay, so next I picked up this really gorgeous gold bangle. I thought this looked just like Cartier. Nicole agreed, and Nicole is like the designer queen, so I was like, okay, I have to get this. So I picked this up. It's so cute. You'll see during the close-up, but it was only $1.99, so I was like, even if it breaks, you can't beat that. Speaking of accessories, I'm always in love with gold layered necklaces. It's like my favorite thing ever. So I picked up this. I already wore it, so I don't know how much it was, but I want to say it was like $5. And I'm so obsessed with this. I think it is so cute, and I wear it all the stinking time. So love that. Gabe's has the best accessories for such good prices. Picked up this one. It is this gorgeous, is this plaid? I guess it's plaid. This is one of my favorite plaid combinations, the green, the blue, and the black. I think it is so sweet. I bought Brennan one of these shirts. He looks so handsome in it. Anyway, I got this. I think it's amazing. Here in Pennsylvania, it's a very long winter, so any sort of outerwear that can make you feel pretty and fashionable, I always say go for it because it's a long winter. It's by the brand St. John's Bay, and this was only $14.99, which I thought was such a great deal for a pea coat. And I think you can dress it up, you can dress it down. It's just so Pinteresty to me, and I love it. Next, I picked up this recipe box. I thought it was so beautiful. It says secret recipes, and it has this really pretty gray pattern on the top. It's very rustic, very my style. I didn't have a recipe box, so I thought this would be really sweet again when I move out eventually. I picked up this gorgeous lantern again for my future home that is not quite existing yet, but I have so many plans for this lantern. I remember telling my dad, I was like, in my next home, I just want a lantern, and I found a lantern at Gabe's. They had this in like a bunch of colors as well. I kind of want to get two. I feel like it would look really cute, so I might go back and get another one, but I got this for $15, which again, at Home Goods, I feel like this would be around $30, so, and even at Walmart, I think it'd be more than that, so excited about this. This couldn't be any more my style. Like, they really have stuff that's my style, so I was very excited when I saw this and all of our future potential plans. Okay, Okay, so now that I made a massive mess, I'm going to end this video here. Thank you guys so much for sticking by this long period of time that I let go by. I'm going to try to stop doing that. Like, I really want to be more prompt about getting videos out when I say I'm going to, because this channel literally means so much to me, and I have so many exciting things coming during this holiday season. You guessed it, again, I am doing the 12 days of Juju, which I don't know how I'm going to do it while working full time, but I'm going to do it, and it's going to be amazing. So I'm sorry for making you wait, but I promise I will make it up to you. I love y'all so much, and thank you again for everything, for all of your love and support, all of your sweet comments, and for looking forward to this haul. I had so much fun filming it, and I can't wait for you guys to see everything. Leave a comment down below what your favorite thing of this haul was. I'll let you know that my favorite thing was definitely the lantern and the gingham blanket, but comment down below what your favorite was, and if you shop at Gabe's, where you live, and what Gabe's you shop at, because I'm always looking to hit up some new Gabe's. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I invite you at this time to subscribe if you're not already. Follow me on social media to see some of these items in action. I hope you guys have a great day, an even better week, and I'll catch up with y'all later.
I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing